A Cybertruck owner fished out a stuck Model X out of the sand. The hitch-installed wrench dragged the heavy Model X out of the sand. The Model X owner should have aired down first before taking the vehicle to the sand. Luckily, the Cybertruck was nearby and offered help to the stuck Model X. The trick is to let as much air out of the tires as is possible. The Model X, with its massive weight, is probably one of the least suitable vehicles in sand, but that didn't stop this owner from trying. It appears as though the Model X was buried very deep, likely an indication that they didn't make things worse for themselves once they were initially stuck. The Cybertruck initially struggled to pull out the heavy Model X, but it slowly started to pull it out of the sand, especially given its immense torque. There's something endlessly satisfying about watching a Cybertruck perform the task it was designed for.